Alright, took off my bumper partly, and I simply wiped down the headlights with some cleaner. It's dry now, and now we're just going to use this blue air tint from Vivid that I bought, and we're going to tint the lights blue. So I don't intend on keeping my headlights tinted blue for a long time, but you know, for now, or until I get pulled over. So let's get to tinting.
I rediscover myself, each day grow out of my shell. I put this beef on my wealth, I put this beef on my health. I know I sip too much, but I just fuck with the rush. No, we ain't gon' live forever, so I'm trying to live the start. I'ma flex on everybody here, jumping on the world. You can watch it fall, or you can turn back now. A chance to get the fuck out of here. You can take your dreams, yeah, and leave that shit up.
Alright, one light down. So you can see this is tinted. It looks real blue on a cloudy day. And this is non-tinted. So I'm just gonna do the other side off camera and then put my car back together. And if I have times, my halo is actually I don't know what happened, but the white doesn't work anymore, so I'm gonna switch it back to amber because I know that one works for some reason. And then the side marker lights I'll change to these amber LED bulbs because they're white right now. So yeah, if you didn't already realize, the theme for this car this summer was going to be blue. It's gonna have the blue tinted headlights, blue mirrors, but that didn't work out. I mean, I could make it work, but then I just got a blue Supra. So yeah, and then with the vinyl wrap that was white, pearl white with blue tint. So yeah, things change. So I'm gonna get to wrapping the other one. Oh, the time it took me to wrap this one was about 18 minutes. And I know it's not perfect because I didn't really clean the headlight housing right, and I didn't cut it nicely, but most of that like weird cutting marks and everything is gonna be hidden by the bumper anyway, so it's not a big deal.
Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Come get lost with me. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just go away with me, darling. We'll get real lost. We'll get real lost again. Just run away with me, darling.
Alright, so it's starting to rain. I just finished putting back the bumper and everything. So yeah, these are way more blue than I thought. I mean, look at that. I mean, it's not that blue. I guess it's It looks darker on camera until you put it on my headlights. I guess because it's black. Yeah, I also fixed my halos. Going with the orange. I don't know, I'm seeing the new K5s from Kia and they all have orange DRLs and it looks sick. So I'm back to the orange DRLs too. And I don't know what happened for this halo, but the driver for the white LED mode like crapped out. But yeah, this looks sick. It almost looks black now. Well, on camera it still looks blue, but yeah, I love it. I'm gonna get pulled over, but we'll see. So yeah, I think I got a few more mods to go for this car. Then we can finally start working on the Supra. And once we dive right into the Supra, a lot more videos, I promise.
No, we can't define the things that make us stay lost in time. I wake up every day to see a smile, and I put it all for you.